ये देखो, ये सारे जितने भी ये है ना, ऐसे दिखता है, राइट?
अरे सामने से पहले से बोल दो यार, तो सामने नहीं रहना है, क्योंकि ये अगर वीडियो शेयर करना है तो ये आइडेंटिफाइबल हो जाएगा। नहीं,
अभी क्यों वीडियो, ये जब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है तो?
जब मैं देख रहा हूँ 500 से इतना जल्दी नीचे कर रहा है, फिर से वही 500 से इतना जल्दी नीचे कर रहा है PM 2.5। so that is not a information.
We'll have more opportunities to. ये यहाँ पे और एक वो डाल देना स्क्रू।
रहने दो ना, एक मिनट मेरे को देख लेने दो। मैं I'm noting down its PM 2.5 and it automatically adjusts after 100. From 4 it became 3 automatically.
Oh.
And you see PM 2.5 is how fast it is reducing, because when it started it was 500, and how many minutes of video that in 3 minutes it has brought down so much. Means in 3.5 minutes it is brought down to 35, 36 PM 2.5. It's working wonderfully within 3 minutes. Just think of, before this was not there, Arspura, how much PM 2.5 we used to inhale just by cooking.
मैं जा सकती हूँ अभी, मेरे को बंद कर दो ना।
So I want to see whether PM 2.5 while cooking it stays. Now it is becoming stable, because, or it is still reducing, you see. आई थिंक उसको 5 करो तो सिमर से हटा के
6 पे किया है पहले।
अच्छा हाँ बट नाउ यू सी नाउ this is coming up and the smoke is going inside. PM 2.5 is increasing but is still within much better range. So this keeps it constant because of that. Now that is smoke is coming out and still it is maintaining at 25, which is a wonderful.
You come this side and see how the smoke is going on this side. Come this way.
I don't know. This smoke is not. डे टाइम में शायद उतना ना करे लेकिन
You can see it. चक्कर ये है कि पीने का पानी यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है। अगर पानी डालना है तो कहाँ से डालूं मैं? सारे किशमिश जल रहे हैं।
it actually kind of, even with the smoke, it maintains around 20 to 25. It's a wonderful thing. You can manage in such a way that milk won't burn, isn't it? Isn't it a great thing? Means that kind of control you don't have even in gas, and that too also very analog, not digital or automatic. छोड़ो इतना।
जल्दी कर दिया इसने।
बहुत जल्दी कर।
You started the video when I started this, right?
I'm stop it. देखो, with that also it is still 19 watt PM it is maintaining.
इतना लंबा वीडियो मत बना।